in today's video. Argentina is a large country in South America. It's the largest Spanish-speaking country in the world. And if you're looking to perfect your Spanish, practice your conversation skills, and see some of the most beautiful places in the world, then it's definitely the destination for you. Now, one of the most interesting characteristics about Argentina is the variety of climates and ecosystems it possesses. Argentina is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world. From towering glaciers, crystal clear lakes and stunning falls, to vineyards that produce some of the finest wine and the tallest mountains in the world. And the answer is yes, I am very much not objective in this subject since I am from Argentina. But in all honesty, it is one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and it's the perfect opportunity for you to put your Spanish to the test. Have you ever gotten that urge to travel but you just can't decide where to go? How can we choose when there's so much to see? In today's video, I will prove to you how you can see everything just by traveling these 5 places in Argentina. So, with no further ado, let's get right to the video. Number 1. Mendoza. Let's start off strong with the perfect destination for wine lovers. Mendoza is one of the great wine capitals in the world. It's located about 600 miles from Buenos Aires. It's hardly a 2-hour flight, probably less. The official name of the city is Ciudad de Mendoza, City of Mendoza, and it's the capital of the province Mendoza. I cannot think of a better plan than walking these beautiful vineyards, tasting wine, and gazing at the mountains. This city is also a well-known spot for experienced hikers looking to climb the Aconcagua, the tallest mountain outside of Asia. Number 2. Not much of a wine person? Enjoy warmer, more tropical weather? No worries. Head a little northward to Misiones and come see Las Cataratas del Iguazú or Iguazú Falls. This waterfall system is the largest in the world. Yes, we break every record there is, including the one for most narcissistic populations. The Iguazú Falls are located in between Argentina and Brazil in a subtropical climate, which means it's hot year-round. Misiones is the perfect spot to get that tropical jungle experience, relax with some drinks, and enjoy one of the 7 wonders of the world. Number 3. Now, if you enjoy colder weather, I have just the place for you. The towering glaciers of La Patagonia. If you head to Santa Cruz in the province of Rio Negro, you will see views so beautiful that the UNESCO declared it a World Heritage Site. I mean, what else is there to say? These stunning glaciers will leave you quite literally speechless. Number 4. Now, this next location is the definition of paradise. I'm not gonna say anything right away, just take a look at these pictures. This magnificent place is located in El Bolsón, a city in the province of Rio Negro. Specifically, there's a place called El Cajón Azul or the Blue Drawer. No further explanation is needed. The temperatures during the summertime, which is from late December to early March in Argentina, are perfect to visit this gorgeous location, swim in crystal clear water, and relax under the sun. Number 5. In the end, some people need a different kind of excitement, one that only a big, noisy, crowded city can offer. And well, Buenos Aires checks all the boxes. La Ciudad Autónoma de Buenos Aires is the largest city in the country. Its architecture is highly influenced by European architecture, and many people refer to it as the Paris of Latin America. Tango, asado, boliches y clubs, teatros, museos, hermosos puntos panorámicos y gente. Muchísima gente. A famous Argentine singer named Gustavo Cerati referred to it once as La Ciudad de la Furia, or the City of Fury. And, well, there hasn't been a better description ever since. These are just 5 of the dozens of beautiful, exciting places that this country has to offer. So let me know in the comment section if you would like a part 2 with places like Tierra del Fuego, the city at the end of the world. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Remember to turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of our content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Nos vemos! Mwah!